For the dough, mix flour, sugar, salt, and yeast with a little warm water, gradually adding the remaining water and kneading until a smooth dough forms. Finally, add the vegetable oil and knead for 10 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover the bowl with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour until doubled in size. Meanwhile, prepare the filling. Finely chop the onion, potato, and bell pepper into squares. Sauté the onion in a little oil in a pan, then add the ground beef and cook until browned. Once browned, add turmeric, salt, black pepper, thyme, and tomato paste, and continue cooking. Finally, add the potato and bell pepper, mix well until combined, and set aside. Take portions of the risen dough and knead slightly. Divide the dough into 2 parts and roll out each part on a floured surface. The dough should not be too thin. Then, using a large circular mold, cut out circles from the dough. Place a portion of the meat mixture on one side of each circle, sprinkle with some cheese if desired, fold the dough over the filling, and seal the edges with your fingers. Press the edges with a fork to secure. Let the pirashki rest for 30 minutes, then place them on a baking tray. Brush the tops with egg yolk mixed with saffron and sprinkle with sesame seeds.